Hello students, in this video we will discuss from question number 10 in exercise 2. So let's start. So exercise 2 question number 10 is given here. Find the value of m for which 9 to the power m divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 9 to the power 4. So from here you have to find out the value of m. So what to do? So you can write this 9 like this way, 3 square to the power m and divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is given. So again this 9 you can write like 3 square. So 3 square to the power 4. So we know one formula, that is a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So we can use this formula here. 3 to the power 2 whole to the power m is given. So it will be 3 to the power 2m happen divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to this formula again you can use here. So 3 to the power 4 to the 8 happen. Now so here you can use, we know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n, it would be a to the power m minus n happen. So if the base are same, then power will be subtracted if there is a given division. So here is also base is same, there is 3 and here is also 3. So the power will be subtracted happen. So 3 to the power minus 2m minus 2 happen, because this power is given here minus 2 and here is 3 to the power 8. So here it will be 2m minus it will be plus 2 and 3 to the power 8. If you comparing on both sides, so this will be nothing but 2m plus 2 is equal to 8 happen. So 2m plus 2 is equal to 8. So here we are using this formula. If a to the power n, m is equal to a to the power n is given, then it will be m is equal to n happen. So this will be 2m is equal to 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So m is equal to 3 happen. So right here, therefore the required value of m is 3. Now go to our next problem, question number 12. So question number 12 is given here. Minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 13 into 3 by minus 2 to the power 8 is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2x plus 1 is given. So what to do? So we know that if base are same, then the power will be add if there is a given multiplication. That means you have to use here this formula, a to the power m into a to the power n. So it will be a to the power m plus n. So but here base are not same. Look, here is minus 2 by 3 and here is 3 by minus 2 given. So how base will be same happen? So just write this one, minus 3 by 2 to the power inverse, and here is given minus 13 into 3 by minus 2 to the power to the power 8, and here is minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. So now we know that a to the power m whole to the power n, it will be a to the power mn. So here we are using this formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So this will be minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 13 into minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 8 is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2x plus 1. So now you can use this formula. So it will be minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 13 plus 8. So 13 plus 8 will be nothing but 21. So here it will be 2 by 3 minus 2x plus 1. So there is also same problem. In this side there is the base is given here minus 3 by 2 and here is minus 2 by 3. So do the reciprocal of this. So whenever you do the reciprocal of this number, then minus 1 will becomes in the power, and here is 21. Now you can use again this formula here. So it will be minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 21, and here is minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. Now comparing on both sides, it will be minus 2x is equal to it will be minus 21 is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Here we are using a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, implies m is equal to n. So you can write here 2x is equal to 1 plus 21. So 2x is equal to 22 and x is equal to 11 happen. Now go to our next problem, question number 13.1. So question number 13.1 is given, if 5 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 125 to the power x minus 3 is given, then from here find the value of x. So what to do here? So here is given 5 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 125 to the power x minus 3. So here is 5 to the power 2x minus 1, and you can write this one like 5 cube, because we know that 5 5 is 25 and 25 5 is 125, and there is x minus 3. So it can be right like this. So we know that a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So a to the power mn, that means 3x minus 9. So we are using which formula? A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Now 5 to the power 2x minus 1 is given, and this one you can write, we know that 1 by 5 you can write like this way, 5 inverse here. So this 1 by 5 you can write like this way, 5 inverse to the power 3x minus 9. So this will be 5 to the power 2x minus 9, and it will be, you can use here this formula again, 5 to the power m into n. So this is minus 3x plus 9. Now compare on both sides, it will be 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 3x plus 9. So it will be here, if this one is comes to that side, it will be 5x happen, and 9 plus 1 it will be 10 happen. So x will be 2 happen here. So we are using which formula here? A to the power m is equal to a to the power n, is this implies m is equal to n. So left of the problem up to question number 10 to 13 is your homework. Thank you everyone.